Welcome to my channel. Dear learners and students, today we are going to discuss about the decision making concept. It is fundamental concept, the tools used in the business environment. So the decision making process that determine the business and its longevity. So in this today class, we are going to discuss about the basic concept of decision making and the process of decision making. So the decision making concept is the core concept in managerial economics. So what do you mean decision making? As a businessman, he has many number of options. He has capital, he has finance, and he has some idea to start his business. The alternative options are available. It may be 3, 4, 5 options he has in his mind. So from that, he is going to select or tick a suitable one. This is what the decision making. So the decision making process is not simply the ticking the options that are available. It is very, very important concept. If your decision is correct, then you can succeed in the business. If your decision making is not correct, then you cannot stand for the business for a long time. So according to the concept, the decision making is the process of selecting a particular course of action from the variable alternative options that are available. So in general, the business manager or the owner, they have to work in uncertainty conditions. So he has to take a lot of risks. Business cannot be predicted. So today the scenario is different. The tomorrow the scenario is different because of nowadays, due to the heavy competition as well as the technology development. Every day the new technology is coming up. The products are coming up. So the decision making on your business, very, very important concept. So the decision maker must be very careful in choosing a particular course of action in order to realize the objectives. First of all, we have to set up what is our objectives. So based on the objectives, we have to select the particular option that should be suiting to your objectives of the business. So the decision making process can be explained using this small chart. I put it here. First, as a businessman, he has the alternative course of actions that are available. For example, the option A, option B, option C, option D, option E. So here I have given 3 actions, A, B, C, D. From these 3 options, he has to select a particular action. This is called the decision making. Then whatever he has taken the decision, because of already he has taken the decision, then he has to execute into the action. So after execution of this action, he can expect 3 different types of result. If his decision making is correct with his objectives, and then he can expect full realization of objectives because of whatever he has set objectives as well as the decision making is connecting and his business is going very well. If the decision making not fulfilling all the objectives, and he can expect the partial realization of objectives. Another one, if your decision making is not matching with your objectives, then you may expect only the non-realization of objectives. So The full realization of objectives, that means your decision making is going to give a maximum profit. The non realization of objectives means you are going to get the loss. The partial realization of objectives means you have to take another decision to continue your business. So this simple diagram is saying how the decision making process is working in the business. As I said, it is only not about the taking decision. You have to carefully correlate with other actions. How much finance you have, what is your objectives, what is your business, who are your competitor, what is the price conditions, what is the demand, how much you can supply. So everything is matter when you take the decision. So this is very important concept. Okay students, today class definitely it will be useful for you. Kindly watch our video continuously and please subscribe our channel.